Alright, welcome to the channel guys. As you know from the thumbnail and title, this is the Rynox Urban X jacket. So as it came in this suspicious package, I have already opened it just to make sure that I got the jacket. So just for this video's sake, I will be opening it again. So as I'm showing you, it came in this package. So I searched for this jacket in all over Bangalore, all the Rynox exclusive stores, but they don't have this particular color as it's been discontinued. So I have to order it on Amazon, and this is what I got from Amazon. So this is one bag, so you can wear it like this. It came in this bag. So let me quickly open it out of this bag here. So once I open out of this bag, there's a big cover, Rynox. So yeah, so it is a genuine jacket, but the thing is they didn't give any jacket cover or anything with this package. So as you can see, this is how the jacket looks. So this particular color is one of my favorite among all the colors. It comes in 3 different colors. This is the gray, which looks cool, especially in the sunlight. Yeah, talking about the specification, it has got the zipper, and it has a small zipper here, so you can attach a pant, riding pant, using this zipper here. And it also comes with chest armor. As you can see, it comes with Simtech armors. You don't get any liners with this jacket. It's just the jacket, no rain or thermal liner with it. You have got 2 zippers here outside, silica gel packet here, and there is one waterproof zip here inside. As you can see, this is a waterproof pocket, and it comes with all the adjustables. You can adjust your shoulders and arms using this. You can adjust here, and you also get a zip here on the hand, so to which you can comfortably wear your riding gloves. And all the armors are removable so that you can wash this jacket comfortably. So let me quickly open this one of armor and show you. So it is a Simtech level 2 armor, which provides level 2 protection at the back. So all the protection gear you see here are level 2 Simtech. As you can see, this is how the armor looks, which looks pretty solid. This is how it fits on. So whenever you're washing this jacket, you just need to make sure that you're removing this armors and you can wash it. This is how it goes inside. It's perfectly fitted. And as also at the neck, you can see you are getting a different material which won't irritate you at the neck. And this is the zipper again. So this is a pretty good jacket at the price of 6,750 rupees. So if you are interested, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. And at the back, let me show you the back. Look how it looks at the back. So it has got the reflector line here, Rynox branding, and the styling bit looks cool. And you have got Rynox branding all over, everywhere. So yeah guys, and these are some stickers and all the manual. So yeah guys, this was all about this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.